Hi friends, today we are going to solve middle of the linked list. So the description as follows: given a non-empty single linked list with head node head, return a middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. Okay. The input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to print from middle node to end of the linked list, and if there are even number of nodes, then we need to print from second middle node. Yeah, there are multiple approaches. We will start with brute force approach, then we will optimize it. Just think about if it is an array, just for finding the middle of the node, middle element, we will divide the size by 2. Here also we will do the same thing. So find the middle index, then point our head to till mid of the linked list, then return head. That's it. And so for finding length, we need to iterate through the linked list. So I'm initializing count with 0, and I'm storing it head in a temporary pointer. List node start temp equals head. Because head we will become null with this while loop. So something temp not equal to null, we have to count, we have to move our temporary pointer to next. Okay, then you have count the length of the list, then just find the middle using mid equal to count by 2. Okay, I'm initializing some variable so that we can move our head pointer till mid. So moving head equal to head arrow next. So what I'm doing here, so I'm initialized I with 0 and I moved. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we take this example, there are 5 elements. So the count is 5. 5 by 2, 2 is 2. Mid index is 2. So we will move our head pointer till 2. For that reason, I initialized I equal to 0. Then 0 less than mid, 0 less than 2, that is 2. Then our head pointer will move to 2. Then I plus plus, then I will become 1. 1 less than 2, that is also true. Our head pointer will move to 3. So then I plus plus, and I will become 2. 2 less than 2, that is wrong. So our head pointer is Z3. So just return head. That's it. Okay, everything is good. I'm submitting. Expected. Okay. I'll run it. Yeah. And we will submit our answer as well. So let's see for other. Yeah, it is accepted. Yeah, there is another approach. We no need to do these many things, and no need to count the number of elements in the list. So what is other approach is, so there is the famous well-known approach, that is two pointer approach. We will do with that. I will explain what is two pointer approach as well. So initially what I am doing, our slow and fast pointer is pointing to first node. Take this example, and both are pointing to head. So I will move my faster pointer to, I will move slow pointer by 1, and I will move my fast pointer to by 2. I will move. So here slow, both are starting ones in first iteration, so slow pointer will be here and fast pointer will be here. And in second iteration, slow pointer will be here and fast pointer will be at 5, and slow pointer is at 3. And so in third iteration, fast will move to null and slow will move to 4. So we have to return slow because that is the middle of the element. So just I will write code for that. While temp not equal to null, slow is moved by 1 at a time, and faster point will move 2 at a time. Just return slow. But here there is one problem is there. If it is even number of nodes, then there is no problem, but there are odd number of ones, there is a problem. So that is, slow pointer will be here and fast pointer will be as also here. In first iteration, slow pointer move to here, and faster pointer will be at 3, and slower pointer will be at 2. And in second iteration, slower pointer will move to 3 and faster pointer will move to 5. So slower pointer is here only. If we move one more iteration, then a slower pointer will go to 4, and or faster pointer will move to null. So here null arrow next to that is the program will crashes. So what we have to do, our faster pointer will be here and slower pointer will be in the middle of the list. So we will just check the faster next is null or not, and then fast arrow next not equal to null. That's it, and we are returning slow. So best approach. Okay. My bad. Temp while temp not equal to null. Okay. Yeah, fast. Yes, it is accepted, and we will submit. That's it. Both are accepted. This is the best approach, rather counting the number of elements in the list and finding the mate and moving a 8 pointer to the middle of the element. This is a 2 pointer approach.